Black seed oil is the best ingredient you can use to treat your hair fall, because it contains over 100 different nutrients, which are rich sources of nourishment for your hair and follicles. That helps nurse your follicles back to health, thus curbing hair loss. Due to the rich fatty amino acids in black seed oil, the properties help moisturize hair shaft. It is naturally antimicrobial. The anti-inflammatory in black seed oil is great when diluted with a carrier oil to soothe scalp conditions that are caused by inflammation, flakiness, and sensitivity. It kills viruses and fungal, which makes those with lice benefit from it. Also, your skin benefits from it because of the fighting nasty microbes, which might be living on the surface, and moisturize your scalp and balance oil production. Today in this video, I will share DIY hair oil for dry scalp. Take 1 tablespoon of black seeds powder and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds powder. Now put this powder in the glass container. Add ½ cup of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of castor oil and mix it well. Now close the container and place it in the sunlight for 1 week. After 1 week, your oil is ready. Apply this hair oil on your scalp and leave it for night and wash it off next morning. It naturally restores hair growth in thinning areas because of the high concentration in thymoquinone, a powerful antihistamine. Black seed oil is the best way to reap benefits for your hair regrowth. Due to the fatty acid in black seed oil, it helps strengthen, soften, and condition each hair strand. Not everyone's scalp produces the same amount of sebum, making hair type range from dry to oily. It helps normalize oil production on your hair scalp, which ensures your hair remains well conditioned without becoming greasy. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.